Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the very first chapter, that is rational numbers. Before we will go for the main topic, that is rational numbers, let's discuss about the number system. In number system, today we will talk about the natural numbers, then we will discuss about whole numbers, and then we will take the next number system concept, integers, and last but not least we will take the fractions. So these four things we will discuss it today. So first one, that is natural number. You must be knowing about the natural numbers. The natural numbers are the numbers which we represent it on the number line, but on the positive side, of number line, So the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are the natural numbers. So what do you observe here? Here the numbers on the right side of a number line, but all the positive numbers. Here if you will observe, the number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are the natural numbers which we take it in the counting also, which we use it in the counting also. Now let's talk about the whole numbers. Whole numbers are also something related to the natural number, but in this case the positive numbers on the number line, but including 0 are whole numbers. So all the positive numbers which we represent it on the number line, but including 0 are whole numbers. So can you observe what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers? The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on, but whole numbers include 0 also. So what do you observe in these two cases? Whether all natural numbers are whole numbers? क्या सारे natural numbers whole numbers होते हैं? Yes, all natural numbers are whole number, because all natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on comes in whole number also. But if I will say all whole numbers are natural number, all whole numbers are natural number, क्या सारे whole numbers natural numbers होते हैं? Think over. Take few seconds. Okay. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? Because in whole number 0 also includes. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers, but all natural numbers are whole numbers. Now next number system part is integers. In integers, if we will represent the number line on both side of 0, then that numbers are integers on both sides. So what does it mean? If we will take 0 here, 0 as I have told it on both sides of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, means these are the positive numbers, and on the left side of 0 will be -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on both the sides, and the left side number of the 0 are negative numbers. So all these numbers, positive as well as negative, including 0 are integers, So it means that positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0 are integers. Is it clear? Okay. So tell me, all natural numbers are integers? All natural numbers are integers? देखिए, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it means all natural numbers are integer. तो ये आपके natural numbers हैं. These are the natural numbers. So all natural numbers are integers. And same way, क्या सारे whole numbers भी integers होते हैं? सारे whole numbers भी integers होते हैं? Yes, because whole number starts from 0. So these number are in whole numbers. So all whole numbers are also integers. Okay. So I think integer concept is clear to all of you. Now come to the fractions. In fractions, if we will talk about the fractions is a part of a whole. A part of a whole is a fraction. What does it mean? जो whole numbers हैं, whole numbers, these are the whole numbers from 0 and so on. A part of a whole number is a fraction. तो ये जो fraction है, ये जो whole number है, इसका अगर हम कुछ part ले लें, for example, if we will talk about 1 upon 5. So this 1 is a whole number, इसका हमने कुछ part ले लिया है. So 1 whole number का 5th part is a fraction. Now again, if we will take, let it be 3 upon 4, 3 upon, or we can say 3 upon 2, 3 number का, or instead of this we can take 2 upon 3. 2 is a whole number. 2 number का 3rd part is a fraction. Like this, we can take any other example, 7 by 4, whole number का fraction. And same way, we can make out other examples also. So, fraction means whole number का part. A part of a whole number is fraction. So, tell me, whether fraction can be negative? क्या fraction negative होते हैं? If I will write the number like this, -1 upon 5, क्या ये fraction है? No. Why it is not a fraction? Because -1 आपका यहाँ पर whole number नहीं है. -1 is an integer. और according to the definition of fraction, whole number का part. So whole number are these. इसका जो part है, that is a fraction. So it means fraction cannot be negative number. Fraction cannot be negative number. So always the fraction will be positive. Okay. Now we will go for the important topic, that is rational numbers. Rational numbers. This is very important topic, and the chapter is also based on this. So first I will write the definition over here. Any number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equals to 0. So this type of numbers are called as rational number. Let's discuss it with the examples. Here, according to the definition, any number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, means numerator upon denominator, where P and Q are integers. So integers means it can be negative or positive. Where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equals to 0, means the denominator should not be equals to 0. So आपके P and Q कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है इंटीजर का, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट द डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल. Tell me whether 2 upon 3 is a rational number. 2 upon 3 is a rational number? Yes, 2 upon 3 is a rational number. Why? Because 2 and 3, both of them are integers and the denominator 3 is not equals to 0. Let's take one more example. Minus 2 upon 3. Now tell me whether this is a rational number. Yes, this is also a rational number because minus 2, अगर आप देखें minus 2 भी integer है and 3 is also integer and the denominator is not equals to 0. Okay. Take one more example. We will take one more example over here. Let it be minus 4 upon 5. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because both of them are integers. देखिए minus 4 और minus 5 दोनों integers हैं because integers can be positive or negative numbers and the denominator is not equals to 0. So this is also a rational number. Now we will take one more type of rational number. Now tell me, 2 is a rational number? क्या 2 rational number है? Think over. Yes, 2 is also a rational number. Why? Because 2 can be expressed in the form of 2 upon 1. So what do you observe here? 2 and 1, both of them are integers and the denominator 1 is not equals to 0. So this is also a rational number. Similarly, if we will take minus 7 is also a rational number because minus 7 we can express it as a minus 7 upon 1 and both of them are integers and the denominator is not equals to 0. Okay. So same way you can find out the other examples also. Now I will discuss one more example and please tell me whether it is a rational number or not. Okay, tell me, is 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number because 0 can be expressed in the form of 0 upon 1 where 0 and 1 are integers. हमने अभी पढ़ा है integers are positive as well as negative including 0. Including 0. So both of them are integers and one denominator, 1 is not equals to 0. So this 0 is also a rational number. Okay. Now if I will take one more example, let's take one more example. 1 upon 0. ये बताइए क्या 1 upon 0 is a rational number? 1 upon 0? No, this is not a rational number. Why? Why it is not a rational number? Because though 1 and 0, both of them are integers, but the denominator is equals to 0. Denominator is equals to 0, therefore this is not a rational number. Similarly, if we will take one more example, 5 upon 0, क्या ये rational number है? No, this is also not a rational number because the denominator is equals to 0, and according to the condition of a rational number, the denominator should not be equals to 0. That's why 1 upon 0, 5 upon 0, like this we can take any example like this. 7 upon 0 also not a rational number. I hope the definition of rational number is clear to all of you. Now let's talk about the types of rational number. The rational numbers can be expressed as positive rational numbers, or it can also be expressed as negative rational numbers. Okay, now let's take the example of both of them. Positive rational numbers, किस टाइप के rational numbers होते हैं? If the sign of, in this case, if the sign of numerator and denominator are same, positive rational number क्या होंगे? If sign of numerator and denominator are same, then they are positive rational number. Let's quote one few examples over here. Suppose that 2 upon 3. अब यहां पे देखिए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों के साइन क्या है? पॉजिटिव साइन है. बोथ आर हैविंग पॉजिटिव साइन, so that's why this is a positive rational number. One more example we will take it. Suppose that 1 upon 5. So is it a positive rational number? Yes, it is a positive rational number because both are having same sign. Now one more example, minus 2 upon minus 3. Now tell me whether it is a positive rational number. अगर आप इसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, but both the signs of numerator as well as denominator are same. ये minus and minus will be cancelled out. So this is also a positive rational number. Positive rational number. Like this, we can take one more example. 7 upon 4. Is it a positive rational number? Yes, it is also a positive rational number. Now, come to the negative rational number. So, in negative rational number, what will be the condition? If the sign of numerator and denominator, if signs of numerator and denominator are different, are not same, you can say it, or are different, then that type of rational numbers are negative rational number. Let's take some examples. So, for negative rational number, minus 2 upon 3. If you will see here, minus 2 upon 3, देखिए numerator, in the numerator the sign is negative, but in the denominator the sign is positive. So both the signs are different. So that's why it is a negative rational number. Now if we will write it like this, 2 upon minus 3, this is also a negative rational number because upper part is positive and the denominator is negative. So this is also a negative rational number. If we will write it, let's take 1 upon minus 5. Is it a negative rational number? Yes, it is also a negative rational number because both numerator as well as denominator signs are different here. Okay, so that's why it is a negative rational number. Now take one more example, 2 upon minus 7. This is also a negative rational number. So I think the concept of rational number or the definition of rational number is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.